1 Minute Danish Lesson 2.
Welcome back to 1 Minute Danish, where I'm teaching you the Danish language 1 minute at a time. My name is Karen and I'm your teacher for this course. Last time we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson we'll learn some useful words in Danish you'll use every day. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In Lesson 2, we'll learn 4 useful words you'll use every day when you're speaking Danish. In Danish, the word for yes is ja. Repeat this again after me. Ja. One more time. Ja. Now, what word goes with yes? No, of course. In Danish, no is nej. Listen to this again and repeat after me. Nej. Now we're going to look at 2 other important phrases, please and thank you. The phrase for please is vær så venlig. Listen again. It's a bit more complicated than just saying please. In fact, it literally means be so kind. Vær så venlig. One more time. Vær så venlig. To say thank you to someone, you can say tak. Listen again to this word. Tak. One more time. Tak. Excellent. You may also hear tak skal du have. Listen again to this phrase. Tak skal du have. It means thanks you shall have and is very common. Try it one more time. Tak skal du have. That's almost all for this show. Don't forget to visit our website on www.oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back again soon with more Danish. Before we finish, there's one other word I'm going to mention here, and that's the word for and. In Danish, and is og. So now I can say thank you and goodbye, tak og farvel.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.